Hello everybody, welcome to Maths Gurpreet. In this video, I'm going to solve the last few remaining questions from chapter number 11th, area and perimeter, or perimeter and area of grade 7th. And this is exercise 11.4, the last exercise, and this is question number 8th. These are the two given figures along with this statement. Statement is saying that Pragya wrapped a cord around the circular pipe of radius 4 centimeter. This is a circular pipe and whose radius is what? 4 centimeter. This blue is what? This is a cord around this circular pipe, and the same length of this required cord she wrapped around a square then of side 4 centimeter. And it is asking, did she have any cord left? So let's see its solution. So if she is wrapping a cord around the circular pipe, that means she is covering its circumference. So here we will calculate the circumference of this circular pipe. Radius is given to us and pi, here we have to use 3.14 according to the question. So we will write circumference of the circular pipe. What is the formula for the circumference? 2 pi r. 2 is 2. Pi is what? 3.14 and radius is given 4 here. So after calculation we will get at 25.12. This much centimeter is what? Circumference of the circular pipe. That means this is the length required of the cord to wrap this circular pipe. Now this same length she again wrapped to what? Of a square, around a square of side 4 centimeter. So we have to find, is there any length of this cord left after wrapping it on the square? So for that we first find the perimeter of this square shape figure. Fine. So here we will calculate perimeter of square. Why? Because we are just wrapping this cord around the figure. That means we have to calculate the perimeter here. Here also we have calculated the perimeter, which is equals to circumference. So perimeter of square is what? We all know that this is 4 into side. 4 into side is what? 4. So this is 16 centimeter. Fine. According to the question, what we have to find? We have to find the leftover piece. Leftover piece of what? Cord. What is the formula to find it? We will just subtract this perimeter from this perimeter, or we can write it, we can mark it as number 1 and number 2. We have to subtract number 2 from number 1. So here we have 25.12 and here we have 16. Just subtract these two values. We are getting 9.12 centimeter. So this is the bigger value, this is the smaller value we have subtracted, and this is the length of the cord we are left with after just performing these two actions. I hope you understood this solution. Next question, question number 9, is very much similar to the questions we have solved in exercise 11.3. So I'm just skipping that question. You can do it by yourself. Next is question number 10. Let's see the solution for question number 10. So this is question number 10. These two figures are given to us and this is part number 1, this is part number 2. Here we have to find the area for the shaded portions. Let's see part number 1. So in part number 1, ABCD is what? This is clearly a rectangle is given to us, and here we have to find the area for this quadrilateral. It is having 4 sides, so this is a quadrilateral. What is the name? EFCD or EFDC. Okay, we have to find the area for EFDC. Area of EFDC. So we know that we don't have any direct formula to find the area of such quadrilateral. So in this figure we can clearly see that these are what? Two triangles, and we know the formula to find the area of a triangle. We have the measurements for it. Fine. This is a rectangle, so all the angles here are what? At the vertex are of 90 degree. Clear? So here, to find area of this figure, what I will do, I can just do the area for this complete rectangle and deduct the values for the area of these two triangles from it. Then I will be left with the area of this required quadrilateral. Okay, so I'm just writing area of EFDC is what? This will be equals to area of rectangle is ABCD minus area of first triangle is what? This is my first triangle, this is my second triangle. Name is what? AFE. AFE. This is a right angle triangle. Minus area of triangle CBE. CBE. So this is the thing, this is the formula that I have to perform here to find the area of the given quadrilateral or the given shaded portion. Okay, so we know the formula for the area of rectangle. It is what? Side into length into breadth. So here I'm just writing it as length into breadth minus. What is the formula for the area of this triangle? We know the formula is what? Half into base into height. So I can take half into, I'm taking this as base, somebody can take AE as base, the other side automatically will be the height. So if AF is base, then height is what? AE. Okay, minus. Area of this triangle is, triangle 2 is half into base into height. I am taking EB as base and CB as height. Let's put the given values here. So here length is what? 18. 18 is the length and breadth is what? 10. 18 and 10, after summing up you will get the same dimensions. So 18 into 10. This is the area of rectangle minus half into AF into AE. AF is what? 6 and this is 10. 6 into 10 minus half of EB is 8 given and this is 10. So we can calculate or we can simplify these values to 5. This is 30 minus 30 minus 2 5. This is what? 40. So basically this is 180 minus 70 and the answer for the area of this shaded portion is what? 110 centimeter square. This is what? Area of shaded portion. This is how we have to perform the solution of this question. It was very easy. See again, this figure is of rectangle with given measurements and these two portions are forming what? Triangle with base and height given to us in both the triangles 1 and 2. So here to find the area of this shaded portion, what we will do, we will just find the area of this complete rectangle and subtract the area of triangle 1, subtract the area of triangle 2 from it. We know the formulas, just put the values here and calculate the area for the shaded portion. I hope you understood. Let's see part number 2. So in part number 2, we can clearly see that this is what? This is a given figure which is making a square. Okay, this figure is making a square and here we have to find the area of this triangle TQU. To find the area of this triangle, what I can do, I can just find the area of this square and it is having 3 more triangles. This is number 1, number 2 and number 3. All the measurements are given to us and we can just find the area of this shaded portion by subtracting the area of these 3 triangles from the area of this complete square. Similar way we have done for the rectangle. Okay, so let me write area of TQU, triangle TQU. To find this area, what I have to do, we will find the area of square PQRS minus area of first triangle, area of second triangle minus area of third triangle. Fine. So it is a square. It's again have 90-degree angles on all the vertices. Okay. So these are all what? Right angled triangles. So this will be equals to, side is given 20 for this square. Each side is 20. So it is a square. We know the formula, side into side minus area of this triangle is what? Half into base into height. So I am writing half into base, I am taking PT, height I am taking PQ or QP minus. Second figure is this. Its formula is half into this, I am taking SU as base and this ST as height. Okay. Third is half into, this is base, UR into this I am taking as height QR. Okay, just put the values here. This is side is 20, 20 into 20 is the area of square, half into 10 into 20. Measurements are clearly given to us. Half into SU is what? 10 into ST is also 10 minus half into UR is 10, this is 20. 10 into 20. So let's simplify it. This is 400 minus 2 tens are, this is 100 minus 2 fives are, this is 50 minus 2 tens are, this is again 100. So what I am getting, 400 minus 250. 400 minus 250. Then I am just finding out. So the answer for this is what? 150 centimeter square. This is the area of this triangle TQU. Both the questions were very similar. This figure was of rectangle and this figure is of square. I hope you understood the solution of the first and the second part of question number 10th. Let's see the last question of this chapter, question number 11. So this is the given figure of question number 11. ABCD is given to us and these are the given measurements. DN is 3 cm, AC is 22 cm, BM is 3 cm. Here we have to find the area of this ABCD figure. Okay, clearly we can see that this figure is having two triangles basically, and here we don't have the measurements for its sides, so we will just find the area of these two triangles and then sum up the areas to get the area of this complete figure. Okay, see the solution here. Area of ABCD will be equals to what? Area of triangle ABC plus area of second triangle ADC. Okay, so area of ABC is what? This is base and this is making 90-degree angle according to the given figure, so this is height. Okay, so I can take it as half into AC is base, BM is height. Let's see the second triangle, half into, now this is base is the same here AC and height is now DN. This is the height. So this will be equals to half into, measurement for AC is 22 centimeter. The complete question is in centimeters and BM is 3 centimeter plus half of AC is again 22 and DN is again what? 3. This is basically what? 2 times half of 22 into 3. So the area for the given figure ABCD or quadrilateral ABCD is what? 66 centimeter square. This is the answer of the area of the given figure. So this is the solution of the last question from chapter perimeter and area. We have covered each and every question from all the 4 exercises of this chapter. If you still have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section or through the messenger on Facebook and Instagram. Okay. If you want to learn any particular chapter, you can also comment that chapter to me. I'll make the next video on it. Till then, take care, study hard, hit like if you like, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.